Hi, my name is Debra Murphy. I live in a little town outside of Mobile, Alabama with my husband, Mike, and our golden doodle, Loretta. It started out with a burning sensation, like I had a sunburn. I couldn't stand for anything to touch my leg, couldn't stand for sheets. It had a throbbing pain, like when you hit your thumb with a hammer. That's how my leg felt. I couldn't do things with my husband like I used to. We couldn't do the things we enjoyed, like riding motorcycles. I didn't enjoy life that much anymore. I began researching my condition, Meralgia Paresthetica, and Dr. Tollestrup's name came up. And I began watching his videos on YouTube and on his Facebook page. He did get it. He explained everything to me, and he described my condition, my pain, to a T. I had surgery the next day. But he warned me I would have some phantom pains, and I did. But he told me they would go away, and they did. It has changed my life. I feel stronger. I feel like I can do things again. I got in bed a few nights ago and realized I didn't have any pain. It was always painful to crawl in bed. And it was gone. Amazing. Just amazing. I am so thankful, so grateful to have found Dr. Tollestrup. I can't thank him enough.